So we're now on to our last video for finding the equation of a line. The main difference from this one with our previous one is we have not been given the gradient, but instead we have been given 2 points. So we're being asked to find the equation of the line that passes through the following 2 points. Now, to begin with, we need to remember that our equation of a line formula requires the gradient. So we need to identify what the gradient is. So first, we need to use our gradient formula. So that's that m equals y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. So I'm going to label these x1, y1, x2, y2. So doing my substitution, I've now got 12 minus 6 over 5 take away 2, which is going to be 6 over 3, which is just going to give me 2. So that's my gradient that I'm working with. Then I need to use my equation of a line formula. So that is that y minus b equals m bracket x minus a. Now, a lot of time people wonder, what's my a, what's my b, because I've got 2 coordinates. Essentially, you can choose either the first set or the second set. So my advice, look for the ones where the numbers are a little lower, maybe look for the ones which don't involve negatives. Just identify which set you think might be easier to work with. So in this case, I think this first one here with the 2 and the 6 is easier because they're both smaller. So I'm going to work with these ones. That's my A, and that's my B. So I've now got y minus 6 equals our gradient of 2 that we just found out, bracket x minus 2. Expanding that bracket out, so I've now got 2x minus 4, and then rearranging to get the y on its own. So I've got y equals 2x plus 2. So let's take a look at that again. So same idea in question 2. I need to find my gradient first. So I've got my x1, y1, x2, y2. So I'm going to have my gradient of m equals y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. So that's going to be 4 minus 1 all over 1 minus that negative 2. So that's going to be 3 over 3, which is just going to give me 1. So then substituting that into my formula of y minus b equals m bracket x minus a. Looking at them, I'm actually going to choose the 1 and the 4 because it just means I don't have to deal with any double negatives. So I've got y minus 4 equals 1 bracket x minus 1. And then that is just going to still be x minus 1. Then add the 4 to both sides. So I've got y equals x plus 3.